Hey, what's on your shirt?
Leo Lures.
Is that a Leo Lure shirt?
It sure is.
Yes, it is. Hey, gobble, 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 gobble. Kurk, 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 kurk. What's up, yins, guys? Welcome back to Fishing PA with Ryan Reed. Co-star Daniel Lutton. Muddy Creek Fishing Guides hat in full force. We're out here doing a little musky fishing today. I just want to start off by saying we've had a tough weather day today. Accurate?
I would say so.
Accurate.
Little rain, little sun.
Little rain, lots of rain. We've had lots of rain, but the good news is water temps are below 80 degrees.
77.9. We are safe. 180.
We are at 77 degrees. And we're gonna keep fishing. So we will check back in relatively soon. How comes every time we fish we get rained on?
That's a good question.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be my neighbor? All right, I see it. That's there. All right, got it. Got it. Goldie. Oh, wow, that happened so stupid. I just put that out, Dan.
I know.
Where's the net at?
Behind you.
Oh, dude. It's a small fish.
Okay.
Yeah, baby. Okay, 32, 30.
Yep, 37.
Come on, baby.
Bye, baby.
Weather Channel called for showers this afternoon.
Yeah, a
little bit.
Expect the heavy stuff for a while, though, eh?
Hey, tropical storm Irma, eh? Out here musky fishing in a tropical storm. Give Daddy a kiss, give Daddy a kiss, yeah. Give Daddy a kiss. That's a fish. Did you see it?
No, is it on?
It rolled the bait.
Oh, so it's not on.
No. It came up and did the same thing yours did.
Well, let's just go home. I'm sick of this. We can't be having this rolling bait stuff.
Oh, no, he's on there. Dude, he's on there. That's my fault. I should be reeling.
Where's his fish?
There he is. I don't know what I'm doing, Dan.
I don't know what you're doing either.
Oh, he's small. Very, very, very small.
Lean him out from the boat. Take him out from the boat. There you go.
Oh, we're gonna be in trouble here with this other line.
Let me come lift your rod. I'm on your rod.
I don't know.
Let him go down.
I'm trying to. He's snagged on the top of the net. We got a huge mess here. This is not going to be fun. He's probably 30.
Okay, 31. Starting to rain again.
No, he's going here in a sec. Well, let me make sure. Oh yeah, she swam under the boat. Free Willy! Free Willy!
You didn't know there were freshwater wells in here, did you? That's proof right there.
That's proof.
You could
That's
see
a
it.
that's a freshwater orca right there. Hi. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. I feel better. All right, so let's go ahead and